The MARSHALLTOWN Power Trowel is a must-have tool for anyone looking to perfect freshly poured concrete. As it rotates, it not only smooths out minor imperfections, but also compacts the surface, ensuring a more durable finish. With rotation speeds ranging from 50 to 130 revolutions per minute, it's versatile enough for different types of concrete jobs. The model, with a 91 centimeters working diameter, is priced at $3,683. Whether you're working on large floors or smaller patches, this tool makes concrete finishing much easier and more efficient, saving time and effort on the job. For craft enthusiasts and sewing lovers, the Sailrite cordless rotary cutter is a versatile tool. It can slice through materials like denim, leather, and even vinyl with ease. Its cordless design makes it compact and convenient for one-handed operation. The cutter offers 5 speed settings, ranging from 800 to 1,400 RPM, and can handle materials up to 2.5 centimeters thick. A built-in light adds extra comfort for working in low-light conditions. Whether you're working on a detailed sewing project or cutting tough materials, this tool, priced at $245, is a great addition to any crafter's toolkit. LEISTER engineers have developed the COMET 700, a highly effective hot wedge welding machine designed for working with plastic and geomembranes. It's compatible with HDPE and LDPE materials and operates at speeds of up to 8 meters per minute. The 9 centimeters wedge allows it to handle membranes up to 3 millimeters thick with ease. In addition, it features Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities, making it easier to monitor and control. After the job is complete, you can generate detailed digital reports through the LQS system, making it a favorite among professionals working on construction or environmental projects. Wolfcraft's hole cutter may look unassuming, but it's an incredibly useful tool, especially for plumbers. It cuts perfectly straight and clean holes in kitchen sinks, making it ideal for working with sheet steel and stainless steel up to 1 millimeter thick. Use an SW17 wrench during the process to achieve a 35 millimeters diameter hole. Priced at $16.50, this tool offers German-quality precision, making it an excellent choice for anyone who frequently works with metal surfaces. Cutting a rectangular hole in drywall has never been easier with the QUADSAW. Attach it to a drill running at 1,750 to 2,500 RPM, and you'll get perfect results every time, working 4 times faster than traditional methods. It's designed for drywall up to 2.5 centimeters thick, ensuring clean, accurate cuts. Priced at $200, the QUADSAW is ideal for electricians, plumbers, and anyone needing to make quick, precise openings in drywall for outlets, switches, or other installations. The Greenlee G1 VERSI-TUGGER is a powerful cordless handheld cable puller. Its universal head fits pipe diameters ranging from 12.7 to 100 millimeters and offers 5 adjustable positions for more efficient operation. This tool can handle cables up to 22 millimeters in diameter, delivering a pulling force of up to 554 kilograms. Powered by an 18 or 20-volt battery drill, it speeds up the cable pulling process by 68% compared to manual methods, making it a great investment for professionals. Priced at $964, it's designed to save both time and effort on the job site, making it a tool that pays for itself quickly. Is a tough, reliable weed killer designed for clearing areas around asphalt roads, concrete curbs, and similar surfaces. Its unique design features 2 rotating discs that work together, reducing the risk of flying debris and potential damage. This makes it safe for use near vehicles and people, up to 3 meters from cars and 5 meters from pedestrians. At $52, it's a simple yet highly effective tool for keeping those hard-to-reach areas weed-free while minimizing risk. Greenlee PVC blanket, a must-have for workers who need to bend plastic pipes on the job. This tool combines the features of a blanket and a heater, making it easy to bend pipes ranging from 12.7 to 100 millimeters in diameter. It can heat pipes to temperatures over 149 degrees Celsius, allowing for precise bends at angles from 30 to 90 degrees. The blanket is designed for a secure fit with Velcro and built-in stiffness, making the job quick and efficient. Priced around $800, this tool is a solid investment for professionals working with PVC pipes. SPAW, an essential tool for ground leveling, making tasks like preparing surfaces for lawns, paving stones, or even maintaining riding school grounds much easier. It works similarly to a grader, but with a simple design that tackles complex leveling jobs efficiently. The working width and price vary by model, with the 182 centimeters version priced at $679. Whether you're working on a landscaping project or prepping a surface for construction, the ZIELONY SPAW is a great helper for getting an even finish. CALCI Cordless Work Light is perfect for tight or dimly lit spaces. Its head swivels 180 degrees, offering flexibility, and its brightness of 12,200 lumens mimics daylight with a color temperature of 5,000 kelvins. The rechargeable 4-amp-hour battery provides up to 6 hours of light, and if there's no place to set it down, you can use the built-in hook or tripod. Its shockproof, dustproof, and splash-proof housing makes it extra durable. Compatible with all FESTOOL batteries except the AO pack, this light is priced at $109 and is ideal for construction sites or workshops. IBIX Special Cleaning System focuses on sandblasting machines, offering solutions for both delicate and heavy-duty tasks. Their Phoenix model operates at a working pressure of 7.5 atmospheres and includes a 10-meter hose with a remote control system. It handles particle sizes ranging from 38 to 1,400 microns, making it versatile enough for projects like wood restoration or rust removal. With a price tag of around $3,000, this machine is a powerful and flexible tool for various industries looking for effective sandblasting. The Eibenstock ERC350 is a pipe cutting and chamfering tool made for professionals who need precision. Designed for pipes with diameters from 8 to 35 centimeters, it works with discs up to 125 millimeters in diameter and even comes with a vacuum cleaner connection to keep the workspace clean. Weighing in at 15 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, thanks to its retractable roller carriage for added support. If you're looking for reliable pipe cutting performance, the ERC350 is priced at $1,547, making it a worthy investment for contractors. Laying cable can be a tedious job, but the LETTI magazine makes it easier. With this tool, a worker can drive staples accurately and neatly using just a hammer, without damaging the cable. Speaking of cables, there's also the CLA Micro EK 50ml crimping tool, which combines the advantages of electric and mechanical crimping tools. It provides 15 knots of crimping force and can handle up to 145 crimps on a full battery. It's perfect for one-handed use and costs $1,127. The FEMEROL MIG 250 Pro is a versatile welding machine offering 3 functions: MIG, semi-automatic, MMA, manual arc welding, and TIG, argon arc welding with a non-consumable electrode. The machine automatically adjusts the current and feed speed based on the gas and wire diameter you select, making it great for both beginners and experienced welders. It can even weld aluminum and works on either 110 or 220 volts. Given its capabilities, the MIG 250 Pro is a bargain at just $250, making it a great addition to any welding setup. Robert Staple Hammer makes tasks like installing carpets, insulation, and roofing felt quicker and more enjoyable. This tool is designed for speed and accuracy, loading 16-gauge staples in a matter of seconds. It offers a comfortable grip and excellent balance, making it easy to use over extended periods. Priced at just $40, this simple yet effective tool is great for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Cutting metal and other materials can be a hassle, but the CaNibble nibbler is here to make the job easier. Attach it to any drill with 500 watts of power and speeds between 1,500 to 3,000 RPM, and you can cut through stainless steel, corrugated iron, brass, aluminum, fiberglass, and more. It even works on materials like denim, leather, and cardboard. The nibbler cuts without creating sparks or sharp edges, making it a safer option for precise work. At $166, it's a versatile and valuable tool for multiple cutting needs. Is a high-quality vertical milling machine with a price tag of $1,364. It's lightweight at just 3.2 kilograms, making it easy to handle, and comes with a range of accessories, including a precise depth adjustment system down to 0.1 millimeters. The cutter travel is 55 millimeters, and the built-in lighting enhances the visibility of your workspace. It's perfect for detailed work in woodworking or other precision-based projects, making it a worthwhile investment for professionals. Saw blades are tough, but can still be damaged if not stored properly. That's where the Woodpecker's Blade Saver comes in. Made from plastic, these covers protect saw blades from chipping or dulling. Available for blades with diameters of 25 and 30 centimeters, the covers can be adjusted to fit other sizes as well. With prices at $13 and $14, they're an affordable way to extend the life of your blades, saving you from the cost of replacements. A nibbler is perfect for cutting sheet metal and profiles in hard-to-reach places. Its interchangeable heads rotate 360 degrees, making it versatile and efficient. It can cut steel up to 2 millimeters thick, all while minimizing sparks and vibration. Priced at $915, this tool is ideal for metalworking professionals who need precise and clean cuts without the hassle of traditional tools. The Eibenstock EES 1400-3 is a high-performance edge grinder designed for tough jobs. Manufactured in Germany, this tool excels in tasks like grinding window openings, radiator niches, and other hard-to-reach areas. It works on materials like concrete, tile adhesive, plaster, and more, making it an essential tool for renovation projects. The disc diameter is 44 millimeters, and the RPM is adjustable from 4,000 to 13,000 for optimal performance. With a price tag of $690, the EES 1400-3 is perfect for professionals looking for precision and reliability. A pneumatic tool perfect for car repair shops, especially when dealing with tire installations. It operates with up to 12 atmospheres of pressure, making it strong enough to handle even large agricultural machinery tires. Weighing just 7.3 kilograms, it's easy to manage on your own thanks to its smartly designed handles. Priced at $449, this system is a solid investment for shops looking to improve efficiency and take on a variety of tire-related tasks. Frame houses are incredibly common in countries like Japan, Finland, and the US, where 45%, 63%, and 95% of single-family low-rise homes, respectively, are built with frame construction. With demand high, the FRAMEFAST system is a game-changer for builders. It features 3 heads, 1 tool, and a 15 cm Torx tap drive fastener designed to simplify the framing process. Builders can skip ladders, nail guns, and tie bars. FRAMEFAST allows them to push elements together up to 5 times faster than traditional methods, while still ensuring precise angles every time. The ROTHENBERGER ROCALIBER is a 2-in-1 tool designed for both deburring and calibrating pipes, offering versatility and convenience for professionals. It comes in different versions, with the smaller one handling pipe diameters from 16 to 32 millimeters, and the larger version working with sizes from 40 to 63 millimeters. This tool is ideal for plumbers and HVAC professionals, ensuring that pipes are smooth and properly calibrated before installation. The price for these versions ranges from $61 to $128, making it a valuable tool for a variety of pipework applications. Wolfcraft KOMBIHALTER, a versatile holder designed to secure drills, but it can also work with milling machines and grinders as long as their collar diameter is 43 millimeters. It rotates horizontally a full 360 degrees and vertically up to 90 degrees, allowing you to lock your tools securely in place for precision work. Made from durable aluminum, this accessory is perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike, providing stability and flexibility in any project. Priced at $39.50, it's a must-have addition to any workshop. For tile workers, the ROBIScraper 250 is a powerful electric scraper designed to make grout removal easier. Unlike other tools that rely on friction, this scraper uses a pulling motion, allowing the blade to self-guide within the grout joint. It comes with two standard blades, one 1.5 millimeters and another 3 millimeters wide, and offers 3 speed settings for different jobs. This tool is priced at around $190 and is ideal for those looking for a fast and efficient way to remove grout without damaging the surrounding tiles. Cleaning wheel studs doesn't have to be a hassle thanks to the Laser 6602 kit. This tool makes cleaning wheel studs quick and efficient without compromising on quality. It's a great addition to any mechanic's toolkit, especially when prepping wheels for installation or removal. Priced at $97.50, it saves both time and effort, ensuring that wheel studs are thoroughly cleaned before use.